Model adjustment. Editing base.
If the upper and lower models are reversed from what you want, you can swap the jaws, just like this, right here. The orange one is the upper, and that is correct. And if you need to rotate the lower model, you can use this option here.
So if you need to edit the model, just use this button, Edit. Also here, if the model has areas you don't like, you can use this tool and use the X-ray option. X-ray means you can select through both the surface and the bottom, just like this.
The surface and the bottom. It cuts directly through, so use X-ray. But if you don't click X-ray, you can only select the surface. Okay? So when you select an area and want to delete it, just use this button, Delete.
And if you find a hole that you want to fill, just click on it and fill the hole. You can see it fills the hole automatically. So when you're finished, you can confirm. Here, you need to click Yes, and then go back.
So when this is finished, we can go to the next step.
If we want to make the base for the model and do the undercut, we can choose here, Model Edit.
Right here, this button, Upper Model Edit.
So we can do the undercut here.
This button right here adjusts the direction of the undercut. Let me set it up. Okay.
And then set the direction to the camera. This means the direction you see here is the undercut direction. This one. And then this button is to detect it. Detect the undercut.
You can see here, this is the undercut area.
And also, you can change the depth here. Here, you can choose different sizes, different depths. Okay, so when you finish this, we can generate the base. We get the base. Okay? So also, you can adjust. If it's too long, you can adjust the base. You can cut it down a little bit if you want to adjust the height of the base. Just drag the boundary line to where you want it. Just like this.
Then, export. Yes. Then, close.
Now we have the model with the base and the undercut. And then the lower. Undercut. Adjust the direction. And then set the direction to the camera. Okay. And then detect. This area will be undercut. But for the lower jaw, I want a bit more depth on the undercut. So let me adjust the depth slider to increase it. Okay, that looks good. So now you can go ahead and generate the undercut model. And also, you can adjust the base height if needed, just like before. Then, if you don't want to keep the current adjustment, you can clear it. And then use this option here to readjust the undercut direction. This lets you set a new angle for the undercut before detecting again. Detect. Okay. And then generate again. So go ahead and adjust the base as needed. And then export the final undercut model. So here you can see the model now has the base applied to both the upper and lower jaws.